Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's how to make sure that your docs, sheets, and slides are available to you offline. If you just go into docs.google.com, in the upper left hand corner you're going to see the main menu. Select the main menu and then scroll down to the settings gear. When you select the settings gear, you're going to need to toggle on the offline option to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs files while offline. Again, it's not recommended on a public or shared computer. I'll be right back to show you what it looks like when you are using a file offline. Okay, so you can see that I have no internet right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and just type in docs.google.com. Give a little bit of time to load. I'm going to select sample offline. And here it is. Now I can go ahead and I'm going to paste in something here. I'm going to paste in this right in here. You can see it'll say saving all changes saved offline. When you come back online, and I'll show you that here, I'm just going to turn the Wi-Fi back on. Now we're back online here, and you can see that it is now saving, and all changes have been saved in Drive. So there you go. If you do have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.